Yep, no heat call. That'll do it right there. Alright, let's get that changed out and fixed. Yeah, for some reason they soldered that on there from the factory or something. You can see where that one wasn't even in there good. Torqued down good, they were very loose. Alright, I ended up having to move it because those posts broke off. That's got a screw in it now to secure it, so that's not wiggling around. These are all tight. Alright. 1, 2, 3, don't blow up. Alright, I'm just going to box this one back up and get on to the next one.